Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in debugging. Use the JavaScript console to check the value of a variable. Both Chrome and Firefox have excellent JavaScript consoles, also known as DevTools, for debugging your JavaScript. You can find developer tool in Chrome's menu. Here I can show you. In more tools we have developer tools. After clicking that, we can see the console here. So closing it for now, or web console in Firefox menu. If you are using a different browser or mobile phone, we strongly recommend switching to desktop Firefox or Chrome. So I am using Chrome here. The console.log method, which prints the output of what's within its parenthesis to the console, will likely be the most helpful debugging tool. Placing it at a strategic point in your code can show you the intermediate values of variables. It's good practice to have an idea of what the output should be before looking at what it is. Having checkpoints to see the status of your calculations throughout your code will help narrow down where the problem is. Here is an example to print hello world to the console. So we can print the hello world to console by using this code. Task for this challenge: use the console.log method to print the value of the variable a, where noted is the code. So in this case we have to print. Let's open the console for now. We can also use right click and inspect to open that, and then clicking on console. So in this case console.log a, and it printed value of a and sum ab here. So let's run the tests and download my solution. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.